A very popular Japanese food to go yung gagawin natin today, onigiri or Japanese rice balls. Let's start cooking. Let's cook our Japanese rice. So I'm using Japanese short grain rice. Kung wala kayong short grain rice, you can also use jasmine rice. So dapat yung rice mo yung medyo malagkit na klase. And I'm using 2 cups of our rice and 2 cups of our water. O, parang saing lang. Normal na saing. And let's just cook that for a few minutes. Once our rice has begun to boil, turn down natin yung heat. So, nagsaing na tayo ng rice kanina, and this is our rice. You don't have to use Japanese rice. Nag-iinarte lang ako dito. But, you can just use any rice na medyo malagkit, no? So, this one, dapat hindi siya overcooked, ha? Yan. We just have to fluff it up a little bit. And ito siya, para siyang kanin na may palaman and it's wrapped in Nori sheets, yung ating Japanese seaweed paper. So while my rice is here, releasing its extra steam, ito siya. What I like to do is I combine sugar and vinegar. So you can use rice wine vinegar, dissolve natin siya. So it's like a sushi, no? Pero traditionally, hindi naman nilalagyan ng ganito. But I just like it para may flavor yung aking rice, no? And now, we will just combine, pour over our vinegar and rice mixture. And definitely, you don't want to make your rice mushy, ha? Huwag mong i-mash. Toss very gently. Ganyan siya. Let that rest for a while. And let's prepare our fillings. Ito, very simple filling natin. Usual is the tuna. So, we have tuna here. Then, we'll just combine our Japanese mayo. Ayan. And I'm just adding a bit of spring onions and season with a little bit of soy sauce. Japanese soy sauce. Yan, ang bango. And that's our filling number 1. So ito, very simple. Para hindi dumikit sa inyong kamay, just wet the palms of your hands and your fingers. And we will shape it. No? So you can shape it into balls or triangles. No? So yun ang very traditional. Don't press it down too hard. Ha? Hindi biko yung ginagawa natin. And let's have our filling, our tuna. And sobra akong natutuwa dito because even though it's a Japanese concept, you can make it your own, no? Pwede mong gawing Filipino, pwede mong gawing Indonesian, di ba? So, just by changing what's inside, you can make it Korean. So, ito siya. Pwedeng ball, ganyan na ball. Or you can shape it into a triangle. No? So, let's attempt to make it into a triangle. And we have our nori wrapper. The rough side will be here. Dito yung rough side. Very simple. Yan! Plate! Sobrang dali lang, no? Yan. You can make it smaller. Just sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds, black and white. Yan. 1. Let's make another one. But let's make another flavor. So, sobrang saya niya kasi it's something you can easily make for baon for your kids or yourself. And this one naman is our luncheon meat, whichever brand you like. We will add our Korean chili paste, a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of sugar. Yan. Optional ang sugar. Mix everything. You can even add sesame oil if you want. Yan, again, wet your hands, no? Yan, doesn't stick. Yan, flatten, flatten, flatten. You can make a well in the middle just to fill with our meat. Second layer, yan, to cover and shape. Yan. And ito siya, these are nice treats na you don't even have to serve hot. So, pag inain mo malamig, masarap siya. So, no reheating needed. Let's make a better triangle shape. And let's wrap the edge again. So, this will be our handle, no? Very easy. Yan. And our sesame seeds. Let's make another one using Crabsticks and cucumber. So, para siyang kani salad filling. And let's combine cucumber, Crabsticks, and we'll add our mayo, Japanese mayo. Not too much. And you just repeat the process. This one, I will just add a little mango, diced mango. And I'll add my diced mango. And repeat the process. ito, naging rice triangles siya. But you can also make it into rounds. And one more. This one, susubukan kong gumawa ng Pinoy version. Kaya ba natin gumawa ng Pinoy version? Masarap siya pag adobo, pero kakaiba yung gawin natin. And our Pinoy version, ito. Feeling ko masarap to. Lechong manok, which I have chopped into small pieces. Masarap din to sisig. Pero ito siya, parang lechon paksiw yung ating peg. Sarsa. Diba? So simple to do. Kanin ulam na siya. Very convenient. Masarap na baon. Oh. Pwedeng any time of the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, midnight snack, hangover. Diba? Yan. And wrap with our nori. You can make it as pretty as you want. And ito na yung ating 4 flavors ng ating onigiri. Make it round, make it a triangle, it's up to you, but still the same. Masarap siya. Kaya titikman ko. Yan. It's kani with kanin. Taste! Taste to believe. Yan. Sarap daw with the mango. Ito tawag mo na unang kagat, kanin lahat. Di ba? Dapat kanin lahat, bro. Isa pa, para may palaman. You can be as creative as you want in making your version of this Japanese rice balls. Onigiri 4 ways. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!